Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send good vibes to friends in Finch. Finch is a self-care mental wellness app that helps users build healthy habits through gentle daily activities, reflections and a virtual pet companion. And one of Finch's most comforting features is the ability to connect with friends and set good vibes, which are small supportive messages that help encourage and uplift one another. And in this guide you will learn how to send good vibes to your friend in the Finch app step by step. First, you need to open to your Finch app on your phone and make sure you have logged in. And if you do not have a Finch, you can simply go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And on the home screen on the bottom you can see there's a friends icon. Select to the friends and you will see your friend list. Over here you can select any of your friend you want to send good vibes to. On your friend's profile, tap on the send good vibes, and that is it. And your friend will receive a gentle positive message inside their Finch app. And when a friend sends you good vibes, you will see a notification. You can open to the friend section to view and respond. And good vibes are a simple but powerful way to show care and encouragement in Finch. With just a few taps you can brighten someone's day while staying connected on your self-care journey together. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.